This is Shalisa Sondrup, and this is my academic and behavioral supports. I broke it into the two areas of support, academic and behavioral. The first part is the academic. The first article is using technology for acceptable chemistry homework for high school students with and without learning disabilities. The article discussed how technology can make chemistry homework more accessible for all students, including those with learning disabilities. It highlights tools like interactive software and adaptive learning platforms that help students better understand chemistry. The focus is on using technology to support diverse learning needs and promote inclusivity and improving student outcomes. The second article is Universal Design for Learning Chemistry Instruction for Students with and Without Learning Disabilities. The article explores how UDL, or Universal Design for Learning, can be used in chemistry instruction to make learning accessible for all students, including those with learning disabilities. It highlights UDL and strategies, such as offering different ways to present information, engage students, and allow them to express their learning. The next article is Teaching Mathematics based on integrating reading strategies and working memory in elementary schools. The article explores how combining reading strategies with working memory can improve math instruction for elementary students. It highlights how reading skills like comprehension and vocabulary can help with math problem solving and understanding. It also emphasizes strengthening working memory to help students retain and apply math concepts more effectively. The fourth article is Teacher Support in Learning Instrumental and Appraisal Support in Relations to Math Achievement. The article explores the impact of two types of teacher support, instrumental and appraisal support, on student math achievement. The instrumental support refers to tangible resources and strategies provided by teachers, while appraisal support involves emotional encouragement and feedback that boosts students' motivational and self-esteem. This one actually could fall underneath academic or behavioral support. Number 5 is effects on whole class kindergarten writing interventions on early reading skills. This article examines how handwriting interventions for the entire class in kindergarten affects the development of early reading skills. It suggests that improving handwriting can positively influence children's ability to recognize letters and develop foundational reading abilities. Number 6 is successful strategies for teaching reading to middle grade English language learners. The article focuses on effective instructional strategies for teaching reading to middle school students who are English language learners, or ELLs. It offers practical approaches to helping English language learners improve their reading skills, addressing the unique challenges they face in literacy development. Number 7, Reading for Writing, a meta-analysis of the impact of reading interventions on writing. The article examines the relationship between reading interventions and their impact on writing skills. Although a meta-analysis, the study evaluates how various reading strategies and programs contribute to improving students' writing abilities, providing evidence of effectiveness of reading-based interventions for writing development. The next set of articles are behavioral supports. The first one is ADHD as a classroom diagnosis, an exploratory study for teachers' strategies for addressing ADHD classroom behaviors. The article explores how teachers perceive and manage behaviors associated with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder in the classroom. It investigates the strategies teachers use to address behaviors linked to ADHD and examine the challenges and successes of these methods. The second one is the effects of cooperative learning strategies on elementary students' science achievement and social skills in Kuwait. The article investigates how cooperative learning strategies impact elementary school science achievement and social skills in Kuwait. It explores the relationship between group-based learning approaches and student performance in science, as well as their interpersonal development. The middle school teachers' perceptions of use of classroom management strategies and associations with student behavior. The article explores how middle school teachers perceive and implement various classroom management strategies and how these strategies are linked to student behavior. It examines the relationship between teachers' approaches to managing the classroom and the outcomes they see in student behavior and academic performance. Number 4 is promoting social emotional learning through shared book readings, examining teachers' strategies and student responses in kindergarten classrooms. The article explores how shared book readings can be used to promote social emotional learning, or SEL, in young children. It focuses on the strategies teachers use during read-aloud sessions and how children respond to these strategies, emphasizing the importance of SEL in early childhood. Number 5, the Caterpillar Game, a school-wide positive behavioral intervention support aligned classroom management system. The article introduces the Caterpillar Game, a classroom management strategy aligned with school-wide positive behavioral interventions and support, or SWPBIS framework. The game encourages positive behavior by rewarding students for following rules for each good behavior, adding a segment to the caterpillar. It highlights how the game supports school-wide PBIS principles, including teaching, rewarding positive behavior, and fostering a structured classroom environment. The audience. Number 6. The effects of a good behavior game across classroom contexts. The article Effects of a Good Behavior Game Across Classroom Contexts examines how the Good Behavior Game, or GBG, influences student behavior across classroom settings. GBG is a strategy where students work as a team to earn rewards for positive behaviors like staying on task. The article looks at how the game impacts behavior, classroom dynamics, and academic performance, and explores the effectiveness across various age groups and classroom environments. Number 7, implementing positive behavioral interventions and supports in a Finnish school Childhood Education and Care, Leadership Team Perspective. The article, How Leadership Teams in a Finnish School Childhood Education View and Implementation of Positive Behavioral Interventions and Supports, or PBIS, highlights the benefits, challenges, and strategies of using PBIS to promote positive behaviors, prevent challenges, and create a supportive environment for young children. The role of the leadership is successful implementation of the PBIS is emphasized. Number 8, or the last article, demonstration of parent training to address early self-injury in young children with intellectual or in developmental delays. The article focuses on a parent training program aimed to reduce self-injurious behaviors, or SIB, in young children with intellectual or developmental disabilities, IDD. It highlights the importance of early interventions or teacher-parent behavior management strategies to address these behaviors, such as reinforcing positive actions, preventing triggers, and ensuring constant responses. Those are all 15 of my articles.